RXV golf cart. First of all, on the air filter in dusty conditions, and we have a new air filter here. Heated far enough for it to fit back in there. Put the fingers back in. Done with the air filter. We're going to take a 19mm wrench, and we're going to be able to do it by hand. The oil to drip in. We'll be on a short little break until we get a full oil drain. All right. Pull the oil filter because we'll have to put our oil drain thing. We're gonna go ahead and hand start it in there, put it back in, and
1 minute.
Take our 19, over tighten it.
You might have to redo this.
Note that this plug is plastic. It's not metal. It's not cracked or broken. If it is, you will have an oil leak. And then you take your 19mm wrench and now I'm trying to get the oil filter started off. Edit it. Okay?
Yeah, I am making a video of this right now.
That's why you don't want to put it on really super tight, but drain all the way down. Dabbing a little oil on it. And as soon as you down the oil, again hand tighten it on. Okay? Spin it on until it gets tight. Hand tighten it. Never get it
off again.
Back extreme measures. Oh. To add oil back in, got a little residue oil from the old oil on there.
Don't judge.
Calls for 1.5 quarts, so we can pour the first quart in.